drive. Lot F81.1 is a 1970 Ford F-100 pickup truck with a 250 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. And it sold for $16,500 on Friday, June 5th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 54,586 miles. And the highlights are 250 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, original rubber floor mats, chrome front bumper, step-up rear bumper, Cooper Cobra Radial GT tires, and directional sport wheels. And it looks like it probably was restored, or if it wasn't restored, it had a new paint job and the original interior, it looks like to me, and it was done underneath the hood. That would have been tidied up under the hood nicely. It gets you a nice pickup truck for $15,000 plus the buyer's premium of 10%, so a grand total of $16,500. Gets you a nice looking pickup truck to drive around to the beach or to the cruise. Or thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.